In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Gmail. Managing your inbox efficiently can be a time-saving game changer, and with Gmail's powerful filtering options, you can automate your email sorting and declutter your inbox seamlessly. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're on the main Gmail screen, direct your attention to the top right corner and locate the gear icon. Click on that to open the settings menu. You will then see several options. Go ahead and click on See All Settings for a more detailed view of your Gmail configurations. This window not only showcases your current settings, but it's also where all the magic happens for creating your filters. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is the hub for all things related to managing how your incoming emails are organized. Now, to create a new email filter, click on the Create a New Filter button. A dialog box will appear where you can specify the criteria for your filter. Here, you have several choices. You can filter emails based on the sender, subject, keywords, or even size. If you're someone who receives a high volume of emails, this level of customization can be incredibly advantageous. Fill in the relevant fields with the specifics you prefer. For instance, if there's a particular email sender you wish to always keep organized, you'd enter their email address in the From field. Similarly, you can manipulate other parameters as needed. Once you've fine-tuned your criteria, click Create Filter. This will prompt another window where you can define what happens to the emails that match your criteria. Your options include skipping the inbox altogether, marking them as read, starring them, or even forwarding them to another email address. Each action is a tool to better manage and keep the flow of information under control. Select the action you want Gmail to perform, and, if you'd like the new filter to apply to existing matching emails, check the box labeled Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. When you're happy with your setup, make sure to click on Create Filter again to complete the process. This ensures your filter is now active and set to work its sorting magic. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward way to create email filters in Gmail. Spend some time experimenting with different options until you find a setup that complements your email habits. Over time, these filters can grow and adapt with you, continually keeping your inbox neat and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more practical guides to enhance your digital life.